Welcome to the best picks. The best preservation kit is probably one of the most important things you can do after your wedding day to protect your beautiful gown. Your wedding dress is a cherished keepsake, representing a significant milestone in your life. Preserving it properly ensures that it remains in excellent condition for years to come, whether you plan to pass it down to future generations or simply want to keep it as a memento of your special day. Number 5. Foster Stevens White Wedding Dress Preservation Kit. This preservation kit is perfect for safely storing your wedding gowns and family heirlooms. It helps you create a family heirloom today. With dimensions of 32.5 inches by 19.5 inches by 10.25 inches, it's an excellent way to store large textiles. The box is designed to accommodate dresses with large trains or petticoats. The preservation box comes fully assembled with everything you need. You can easily preserve your special gown by following the packing instruction video. This archival box protects your wedding gowns, prom and christening gowns, and quilts. It can be conveniently stored in a closet. The products are made from recyclable and reusable materials. The company is committed to a greener planet. The box is made of 100% cotton. The glossy, high-end finish will not leave fingerprints. What we like. This kit offers a spacious design, perfect for accommodating even the most elaborate gowns with large trains. It's also made with eco-friendly and sustainable materials, ensuring your preservation efforts are kind to the planet. If you have a dress with intricate details or a large silhouette, this is the ideal choice for long-term, environmentally conscious storage. What people say. The extra-large size is perfect for storing my wedding dress without feeling cramped, and the gold accents give it an elegant touch. The material feels durable and high quality, ensuring that my dress will be protected for years to come. It comes with easy instructions and everything you need to preserve your precious heirloom. Number 4. Bride Musthaves Wedding Dress Preservation Kit. This kit includes everything you need to preserve your wedding dress. It comes with a beige storage box, gloves, acid-free tissue paper, and desiccants. It's a must-have for any bride looking to keep her dress in perfect condition. Find a place with a stable temperature, away from sunlight, dust, and moths. This box is designed to fit easily in your closet or under your bed. This is the perfect place to store your cherished wedding dress. The box is made of breathable, pH-neutral Oxford cloth. This prevents mold and is perfect for storing your wedding dress. The durable and washable material ensures the dress stays clean and hygienic. The kit includes 20 sheets of acid-free paper to protect your dress. This method can help it last for over a decade. Unlike vacuum bags or hanging in a closet, this offers superior preservation. This wedding dress box is easy to use and foldable. It protects delicate materials from moisture, dust, and dirt. The pH-neutral material ensures your memories are preserved for generations. What we like. This preservation box is crafted from breathable Oxford cloth, preventing mold and ensuring your dress stays fresh. It includes acid-free tissue paper to prevent yellowing, extending the life of your gown. If you are looking for a comprehensive solution with all the essentials, this kit provides everything you need for professional-grade preservation. What people say. The kit includes everything needed to clean and preserve a wedding dress. The preservation box is sturdy and well-made, ensuring the dress is protected for years to come. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making the preservation process straightforward. Number 3. Wedding Dress Preservation Kit. This kit includes everything you need to preserve your wedding dress. It comes with a storage box, gloves, and acid-free tissue paper. This will help keep your dress in great condition for years to come. The kit includes a wedding dress storage box, a pair of gloves, and 100 sheets of acid-free tissue paper. This combination is perfect for all your wedding dress storage needs. It's a complete solution. The garment bag is made of breathable Oxford cloth. The gloves are made of soft microfiber. This ensures the dress is protected and easy to handle. The box is about 28 by 15.7 by 7 inches, perfect for your wedding dress. The acid-free paper is about 7.87 by 7.87 inches, and the gloves are one size fits most. It provides ample space for your dress. The acid-free tissue papers help your dress last for over 10 years without yellowing. They are a reliable helper in preserving your clothes. This will keep it looking beautiful. The dress bag has 3 handles and double zippers for easy access. When not in use, you can fold it to save space. It's designed for convenience. What we like. The kit includes microfiber gloves and a generous supply of acid-free tissue paper to protect your dress from damage. The durable Oxford cloth construction ensures breathability and longevity. If you like having all the necessary accessories and a sturdy storage solution, this kit is the perfect choice for safeguarding your precious memories. What people say. My princess ballroom wedding dress fit in here and am tall and plus size. My veil is 16 feet long and all is well stored now. Satisfied with purchase. Ample space, and decent quality. It was the perfect size for a large gown. Number 2. Yakucho Wedding Dress Preservation Box Kit. This preservation kit includes a beige storage box, acid-free tissue paper, microfiber gloves, and desiccant. It's everything you need to keep your wedding dress in pristine condition for years to come. This kit is a must-have for any bride. Store the box in a place with consistent temperature, away from sunlight, dust, and moths. Under the bed or above the wardrobe are perfect spots. This will help protect the dress from damage and preserve its beauty. The box is made of breathable, pH-neutral Oxford cloth. This material is durable, washable, and ideal for storing your dress. Unlike plastic bags, it prevents mold and ensures the dress stays fresh. The kit includes 20 sheets of acid-free paper to protect your dress. This method can preserve your dress for over 10 years, far longer than vacuum bags or simply hanging it in a closet. It helps to extend the shelf life of the dress. The box features handles and a smooth zipper for easy use. It's also foldable for convenient storage when not in use. Simply unfold it, add the cardboard, and it's ready to protect your dress. What we like. The box is made of breathable Oxford cloth, which prevents mold and keeps your dress fresh. It also includes acid-free tissue paper to prevent yellowing. If you are looking for a storage solution that is easy to use and store, this kit is a great choice. What people say. It fit my dress well despite my long train. Nice and tidy with plenty of acid-free tissue paper. This was a very nice box. Not super sturdy, but if handled with care it will be fine. It held a long gown with hat. Small train. This wedding dress preservation arrived quickly and came with acid-free tissue paper that was plentiful and thick. Good size for my daughter's wedding dress, overskirt and veil. The box also came with white gloves to avoid any oils from your hands getting on the dress or interfering with the acid-free tissue paper. Number 1. Foster Stevens Wedding Dress Preservation Kit. This preservation kit is perfect for safeguarding your cherished wedding gowns and family heirlooms. It's designed to keep your special items safe for generations to come. The box is made with 100% acid-free materials, ensuring the long-term preservation of your delicate textiles. This archival box is designed for museum-grade protection. The kit comes fully assembled with everything you need to protect your gown. It's a simple and convenient way to preserve your memories. This box is designed for long-lasting conservation. You can easily store it in a closet or under the bed, keeping your gown safe and sound. With its generous dimensions, the box is ideal for floor-length wedding dresses and other large textiles. It also includes muslin bags and wraps for added protection. The product is made from reusable and recyclable materials. The company is committed to a greener planet. With over 85 years of experience, the company has helped countless families preserve their precious memories. You can trust this product to protect your most treasured items. What we like. This kit offers museum-grade preservation, ensuring your gown is protected for generations. It's constructed with acid-free materials, safeguarding against discoloration and damage. If you are looking for the ultimate in preservation, to create a family heirloom, this kit is the perfect choice. What people say. Worked well. The DVD that came with it was great at showing you exactly what you need to do to store it. Quality item, quick ship. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.